That's Eco setting. The lowest one. That's Eco 1. It's now dropped down to no breeze really, it's just a tiny bit there. You can just feel it right the way down the bottom. This is the 40-inch fan, by the way. That's the oscillating. So move it up to 2. I've not quite mastered the controls of this yet, so you'll have to just excuse me, but I wanted to show you, or let you hear the sound it makes. I hope you can hear it okay with this video. So that's on 2, Eco 2, or rather 2. Now it took it up to 3. That's pretty strong, isn't it? Now if I change the mode to, I'm not quite sure what that one is down there. Slightly different controls to what's actually on the top of the fan. And incidentally, you can get your handset to stay on the top of the fan. I don't know if you can see that. It's like a magnet on there. Where are we now? Back on Eco 1 now. There's a nighttime mode, and we've got settings of the time, which I've not tried yet, but 1 hour there, 2 hours, 4, sorry, that's presumably 3, then there's 4, then there's 5, 6, 7 and 8. That's brilliant. I'm really pleased with it.
Good afternoon. I'd like to show you this fan, which is absolutely fantastic. As you can see, it's got the temperature there at the top. It's a nice, decent size. And the remote is really nice and handy. As you can see, you turn it on. Got different power. That's full powered. And you've got different modes. There you go. Loads of different modes, night mode, fantastic. It turns as well, left and right, as you can see, and it blows out a decent amount of air, and it's quite quiet, to be quite honest with you. And I would definitely recommend, if you want a decent tower fan for the hot weather, I would definitely recommend this.
Yeah, this is the fan. And if you put it there, sometimes it'll work, sometimes it won't. Oh, nice. And if I put it anywhere, oh, sometimes if it's in the range like this, if you put it here, that'll work. I mean, come on. Like when it comes here, it's gonna work, otherwise it won't.